let's get started. Let me share the screen to you. All right. So again, we are going to log in to our website, backend and front end both. Okay. So bbIC.infinityfreeapp.com. Let's click it, and this will give you your front end page. So this is your front end page.
Hello, Divya.
This is your front end page that we created yesterday. Okay. And now I am going to open the backend page. So bbIC.infinityfreeapp.com/wp-admin. So we are going to log in to our backend by WP admin. So here we have our username, we have our password. So let's log in. Okay. So let me just very quickly recall you all what we have done up till now, very quickly in 2-3 minutes. So this is the backend of our website, and what we have done in step number 1, we have to install a theme for the appearance of our website. All right. So theme can be downloaded from by going to appearance, and from appearance go to themes. So you will find a variety of theme. So you can choose any theme of your choice or the nature of business or service that you are into. So you can click on to add new theme, and you can select any theme of that appears on the screen. Okay. So these are the themes that appear. You can download any theme of your choice. These themes are free to download. All right. And if you want to find out some theme of your of the nature of business that you are into, then you can type in here. If you don't find the theme over here, you can always search the theme from this. You can type in and you will find the theme. Now, having said that, let me tell you what are the most common themes that are downloaded uh, and that works very fine. So there are 2-3 common themes that are very common and that are usually downloaded by the website owners or website makers. So first theme is Hello theme. This one, if you can, I hope you can see this Hello theme. Then second one is Astra, the most common and the most widely used theme is Astra theme. Okay. Then the third one is Neve. Third one is, you can see Ocean Press. This is also a widely used theme. Okay. Then Generate Press. This is also one of the widely used theme. Then we have Neve. See here, Neve. So these are the names of the theme given to you. Okay. So that you can remember what theme you installed or what theme you want to install. So you can install and then activate the theme of your choice, whatever is the nature of your business. So I have told you what are various types of theme. You can see a list of themes from top to bottom, and you can download any theme of your choice. If you don't find the theme of your choice, then you can always go to search themes and you can find out the theme. Now, after downloading the theme, we have to download certain important plugins. Plugins give you additional functionality for your website. Okay, so go to plugins and then go to add plugins. The most important plugin is Elementor plugin. So you have to find out here in the search plugins, find out Elementor, and you will get the Elementor plugin. Okay, so Elementor, if I click on Elementor, so I'll get the Elementor plugin. So Elementor is a page builder in which you can build the page, you can beautify the page according to your own wish. Okay, so this one, the first one you have to choose, no other. Okay, this has 10 million installations, which which means it is a good one, and the ratings are also very good. So this is plugins, and you can also download other plugins uh, like WP forms. Okay, WP forms. So when you find WP forms like this one, you can download this one, or you can download this one, any one of uh, you can any one. This contact form 7, this also has 10 million active installations, so you can download either of them. Okay, so what is the use of WP forms? WP forms is used to make contact us form like this. Let me show you this form that we created was using WP forms. Okay, now from time to time we will be installing various plugins as per our requirement, right? For now we need only two plugins, that is uh, Elementor and WP forms. So we have already installed the two plugins. If you are not sure that whether you have downloaded it or not, then you can always look into installed plugins. Go to installed plugins and see whether you have actually installed Elementor or not. So see, this shows Elementor. Settings deactivate. That means if it shows deactivate, that means it is already activated. Okay, and WP forms light is also activated. So now you are sure that these plugins are downloaded. Now, after you have installed the themes and plugins, the next step that we took was to create this menu. Okay, this menu. How to create this menu? First of all, for creating the menu, you have to first of all plan what do you want in your menu. What do you want to show in your menu? How many options do you want to show in your menu? Whether you want to show home page, about us page, category page, contact us page, or what, how many options do you want to show? So accordingly you have to create the pages. Okay, so you can see here we have all the pages, and here, from here, we can add a new page. Let me add a new page called about us page. Okay, so about us. Okay, about us. That's it. Publish it. Publish it. Okay. No, now go back to WordPress, and now you have to once you have created all the pages that are required, and all those pages which are not required, you can always delete them, just like this sample page. Tick mark it and trash it. Okay, trash means deleting the page, so just delete it because we don't need the sample page. So what are the other pages we have? About us page, category page, this. Now we have created the pages, but we have to set them in menu like this. So how to set them in menu? So for this, we have to again go back to the appearance. From appearance, go to menus. Okay, click on menus, and first of all, you have to give a title to your menu. Okay, so menu can be primary menu or secondary menu or footer menu. Okay, so this is primary menu. This is called as primary menu. And if you are creating menu like here, this is called as footer menu. Okay, so because we are creating a menu for the top portion, so that is called as primary menu. So we have named it primary menu, or you can name it simply menu or menu one, whatever you feel like, whatever you can easily remember for later purpose. So now this is your menu which has been created, and under menu, what are the options? These left hand side options will show, these options are showing that you have created these many pages. Okay, under your pages you have already created these pages. So out of these pages, which are the pages that you want to show on your primary menu? Okay, for example, I decided that first of all I want to show page, this home one as home page. Then I want about us page also, because about us page we have just created. So just click on about us and add to menu. It, you will see it at the bottom. And now I want to relocate it, or I want to change its position to the second to home page. After, I want that this about us page should appear after the home page. Okay, that means just after, it should appear after the home. Right now what is appearing? Category is appearing, but I want that after home page, about us page should appear, and then category page should appear. All right, again we are on backend. So home, about us, then category. Then you have to, when you want to create a subcategory, that means you want to show something under this category. Okay, then you, what do you have to do? You have to make these pages as sub pages, like you have to drag it like this. Okay, these are the pages, main pages. And if you drag it slightly rightwards, for example, like this, like for example, if I drag it like this will become, this means that this is the subcategory of the main category. Okay, this is the main category, and these items will fall under this category. Now again, final thing I want to show is the contact us page. So I have done this. So now you can click on bulk select, and also make sure that you have selected primary navigation. Okay, and then just click on save menu. All right, so now you can see, as of now, these are the things that are appearing. But now I am going to refresh the page and see what happens, what changes takes place. So see here, now a new category or new option under menu has appeared: home, then about us, then category, then contact us. Right? So these are the four pages, the four menus that we have created. So first of all, we designed our home page. Oh, sorry, our designed our contact us page. So by going to contact us page, contact us page was looking like this earlier. It was blank like this, like just like about us page is blank. Similarly, contact us page was blank. So now how can I design my contact us page? It is very easy. So when you are on the contact us page, let me do it for you. So check out, open the page, go to pages, and click on all pages. Okay. And from all pages, you have to go to contact us. All right. So click on contact us. Okay. So now we are on the contact us page. So now I want to attach a form. I'm again showing you how I attached this form. Okay. So we have to click on this plus button. Then we have to click on flex box. Let me see if there is any message. Okay. All right. And then I can choose this or this, any. So now again, this box has appeared. This is called as a container. Okay. So just click on this plus button again. And on the left hand side, just search for WP forms. WP forms. So WP forms will appear. So just drag and drop it over here. Okay. Now you have to select the form. So the form that you created under WP forms will appear over here. We created it with the name of contact us. So let's do it. So see, this form has appeared over here. It will automatically appear over here. You don't need to do any kind of coding or something like that. And now, if you think that it is quite on the extreme left and you want to bring it to the center, right? So what you can do, you can go to advanced settings and you can change the margins. Okay. Or you can change the paddings. The difference between margins and paddings is that margin means from extreme left you want to change the margin, and padding means that within this box you want to shift the boxes. So let me move the boxes and change the padding from the left. Okay.
ఏది
So
పెడతాండ్రు
let's change it to 100. All right. So, or you can change it further. You can adjust it accordingly. Whatever, uh, whenever you find, uh, wherever you find it suitable, and when you are satisfied with your settings, you can publish it. Okay. So this was the form that I created earlier, and this is the form that I have just created for you. So if any user uh, puts in their name, last name, mobile number, email ID, and their message, why are they contacting us, and they submit it, their message will be received to us. Okay. And then we can contact them back to know their queries. Okay. It is just like a Google form. All right. So this is how the form is created. So for now, I'm just deleting it because we need only one form, right? So any of the two forms we can delete. Let me delete the first one. Oh, okay. So I have deleted the first form and there is only one form now. Now, if you are satisfied, then you can always publish it. And if you think that I need to change something else, then you can change the colors or button styles. But I think you should leave it as it is. Don't need to overdo anything. Okay, just publish it. And this form, now go to your front end like this, and again refresh the page and see the contact us form. Now see. Okay. This is the form that we just created. I hope it is clear up till here. And we have designed the contact us page. Now I'm going to design the home page. The designing of the home page is the most difficult one, and designing of other pages are quite easy to do. Okay. So in the home page, first of all, we added this banner image. So banner image means the image which you want to show on the top of your page. Okay, on the front of your page. And this image, I already had this image. So, but if you don't have, you can always download it from any of the free websites like Pixabay. You can note down, or you can remember it, Pixabay, or maybe like uh, some other websites like uh, Prepick. Okay, so these are the two common websites which you can use in order to find out, in order to get the free images. So for example, I want a banner image, horizontal banner image, horizontal banner image of of an of a technology company, tech company. Okay, so horizontal banner of a or let me refine it, horizontal banner image of tech company for website. Okay, like this. So these are some of the images what you have got, like this. Technology related uh, uh, banners are like this, or maybe like this, or maybe something like this. Okay. So we can download it any, or you can go, if you are not satisfied, then you can go to another website which is free pick, and let's search for it. uh, Website banner, website uh, horizontal banner image, double L, of IT company, or tech company for website. Okay. So see, you have got the right choice over here. So these are some of the horizontal banners that you have got. Okay. Now you can choose from them. Now, when you see this crown button, okay, these crown button means that these are premium images. You can't download them, you can't use them, you have to pay a price for it. So just ignore these kind of images and select any other image which does not have this kind of crown button. Okay, you can use this, you can use this, you can use this, any of these. Okay, for now I am, let me see, let me explore some more images. What are some of the good images? Okay, the solution needed or modern, like this we can download it. Okay, I have downloaded it. Now I'll go back. Okay, and on the home page, because I have to edit my home page, so I'll go to my home page. Sorry, I have to go back to my dashboard first of all. So I'm going back to my dashboard. From pages, I'll select the page that I want to edit. That is home 1. Okay. So you have to click on edit with Elementor. Click on it. Okay. So here we are. Now I want to replace this image. Okay. Or maybe I want to add another container like this. Okay. This is the container. As I told you that these boxes are called as container. Okay. We are editing it through Elementor. As I told you that Elementor is a page builder which helps you design your page beautifully. Okay. So this is a container and I want to insert image that we downloaded just now. Okay. So just click on it, then drag the image because we want to insert an image. So let's click it and then you can choose the image. So click on choose image. And because we have to upload the image, so go to uploads. If you already have the image here on your website, then you can choose the media library. Okay. And if you don't have it, you can always upload the files. So select files, click on select files, and then you can go to downloads and modern day technology. This is the image that we just downloaded. If you remember, just let it upload. Okay. So now it has uploaded. Now, if you want to see what is the size of this particular image, so you can see here on the right hand side, it is given the size 2560 by 1338 pixels. This is the size of this particular image. So it may appear to you as a square image, but once it is uploaded, it will become horizontal because its size is in horizontal. Let's select. Okay, so here it is. This we have got the image. Okay, now if you want to adjust it, you can always adjust it. Or first of all, uh, let me first adjust the size. Let's see. This is the medium size. Okay, but no, we don't need medium size. We need large size or maybe this size. Let me see. Okay, I think this one is looking fine. So we can choose this size. You have to always, check out which size is fitting your requirements. You have to always experiment with it. Okay, see which size is more suitable to your requirement. Okay, so this is also fine. So I am just taking this image. Okay, and I am deleting this one. So let's delete it. All right, so now your new fresh image is looking like this. Okay, because we are a technology company. uh, so name is BBIC, and so accordingly the image goes like this. Okay, now go to styling. If you if you want to align your image slightly, you want to make some changes in your image, you can always make the changes. If you want to increase the size or something like that, if you want to make it full size, which is already in full size, no worries. So leave it. Okay, if you want to increase the height of this image, if you think that image is slightly um, less tall, then you can always increase the size. Okay, although it is in its full mode already. Okay, it is in its full height. Now opacity. Opacity means the darkness or the lightness of the image. So if you want to, there you must have seen some images which are slightly blur, or some white impression is there, some image is there on the back end, and some white effect is coming. So you can, this is called as opacity. Okay, so you can always adjust the opacity, how light or how dark you want to show the image. If you want to show the image completely as it is, in the original form, then you don't have to do anything. Okay, but if you want to lighter this image, then you have to uh, scroll this button for opacity. Okay, like this. Do it as per your requirement, whatever you want. If you want lighter, then you can do it like this. Okay, I think this one is looking fine. So once you are satisfied, you can leave it. Now the next thing is border type. So here we are, border type. So border type means, do you want to show some border, or or if yes, then what kind of border? For now it is default. Default means there is actually no border. So if you select no, then also it will remain same. Okay, but if in case you want to show a solid border around this image, then you have to select solid. So now see, this solid border has appeared around the image, black border. Okay, and you can always adjust the size of this border. Okay, border width. So border width, you can see here on the left, border width. So if I want to do it 10 pixel, so see, from all the sides it has become 10 pixel, and see, it has become thick. Okay, if you think that no, the thickness should be slightly less, so you can always adjust it. You can experiment it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever size, 4, 5. So I think 5 is looking fine, or like 4 is also looking fine. Okay, so like this. So you have a border around it. Now border radius. Border radius means whether you want to show it like sharp edges, or you want to make it rounded corners. Okay, so let me show you how. So if I just press 2, so not much change will appear to you, although there has been a curve, but it will not appear to you. But if I change it to 10 pixel, then it will become more rounded and it will be apparent. See, from all the corners it has become rounded. Okay, if you think that your image requires a rounded corners, then you can use border radius. Otherwise, in most of the images we don't use the border radius. Just leave it like that. Okay, now next thing is border shadow. So if you need border shadow, then you can use, that means border shadow means that this border will give you a shadow effect. Okay, how, that I'll tell you. So if you want a horizontal shadow, then for now it is 0. But if you want horizontal shadow, then see, a shadow effect has come to the horizontal, to the rightwards. If you can see here, the shadow effect has appeared. Okay, now if you think that no, this is not looking good, so just make it to 0. And vertical, so if you increase the vertical like this in the plus form, then it will come down. The shadow effect will come down. And if you scroll it to the leftwards, that means your this thing shadow effect will go upwards. Let me show you. See here. So if you scroll it to left or in minus, then the shadow effect will go up. And if this shadow effect, vertical effect, is in positive, then the shadow will go down. Let me show you like this. So how much down you want to show it, you can increase the size. But usually if you want to show, you just have to show it very, very thin uh, shadow effect like this. Okay. And then blurriness. How much uh, how much blurriness you want to show in the image, not in the image but in the shadow. So let me increase it. So if you increase the blurriness, the shadow will somewhat vanish, will become lighter. Okay, you will not be able to see that much of blur, that much of shadow. Okay, and if you decrease the blur effect, then you will be able to see the darkness of the shadow. Okay, see here, 8 and 10. Earlier it was 10. So let's keep it like this. Okay. And then we have spread. Spread means whether you want to spread it or how much you want to spread the shadow effect. Okay. I'm keeping it to 0. Okay, let's change it to 1 and let's see. So see here. Okay. This is the box shadow effect. All right, to your image. I hope that makes sense and you have understood what I have told you. So for inserting this image, you have to first take an empty container like this, plus button, and then image box. And after taking the image box, just insert this image and make changes wherever and whatever you want to make changes, or however you want to beautify it. Okay. Okay. And now advanced settings. So advanced settings is margins and padding. So margins and paddings, we don't want to change anything because it is already looking fine. So you don't need to make any changes. Now width. Width is obviously, it is default or full width. It is already in its full width. Okay. Inline. Inline auto means you will see the image like this. Okay. And if you want to customize the image size, then you can always customize the size like this. Okay. 100%, which is already in 100%. So you don't need to do anything. Not every option you need to touch. There is no need to touch each and every option, or you need to make changes in each and every option. Okay. Now position. Position means whether you want to keep a fixed position, left or right. Okay. Or you want to keep an absolute position. Absolute position means you can always move it here and there, here and there, here and there, wherever you want to fit it. Okay. This is called as absolute position. And then or otherwise, just keep it default like this. And now I want to make some motion effects. I want to still make it more beautify. I want to still beautify this image. So let's click on motion effects. And then I want to change and this default size, the default animation. I want to add some animation to the image. So let's experiment on this. So if you select this fade in, it will look like this. If you select fade down, so image will appear like this. Okay. And fade left, so image will appear from the left. And if you choose fade right, the image will appear from the right. Okay. So like this you can select. There are various other options also. Zoom in, so whenever a page opens, the image will pop up like this. Okay. Or if you want to choose some more other options like sliding down, so image will come from top and it will slide down. Okay. Let's try some other options also. Slide left, so it will slide from left to right. And then we have some other options also. Attention seeker, like bounce. Okay, like this, so it will bounce 1 or 2 times. Or maybe flash, it will flash like this. Got it? And let's check out other options like pulse. So pulse, if you select pulse, then it rotates somewhat. Let me see. I don't think so it is working. Rubber band, so just like a rubber band, you elastic, just rubber band is like elastic, so is this image. Then shake, so image will shake. Okay. So any of the options you can choose. Okay, like this, like this. So for now, let's keep it simple, and let's keep it slide left, so that whenever we open the website, this option will appear like this. Let me show you how it will appear. So now let's go to the home page. Currently it is appearing like this. Okay. Now I'm refreshing this page like this, and see what happens. The image appears from, it is sliding from the left and it is coming in the center. All right, it is not in the center actually, so let's make it center. So go to styles. Okay, and choose center, so the image will come in the center. Publish it, and then again refresh it. The image will appear in the center. All right. Now the second thing is that we want to slightly change this. We want to bring this text slightly upwards, right? So let's again go back to our editing mode. So this is our backend and this is our home page. You can see that you are editing this home page. Okay. And we want to edit this section. We want to drag it somewhat upwards. So just click somewhere here. Okay. This is the text editor, and go to advanced. Now currently you can see that it has a margin of 250 from top. That means from the top, or from top means from this image, from the ending of this image and starting of this you can see this. So this is the part of this box container. So there is a gap of 250. We want to reduce the gap. Okay, and we want to keep a gap of only 50, not 250. We want to keep a gap of only 50. So see here, there is a gap of 50. Okay. So let me write few lines on, because it is an IT related website. This is IT related image, also technology related uh, image. So we have to write something about technology. So how to do that, and how do we write it? So let me take you to Chat GPT. You must have heard about it, Chat GPT. So let me take you to Chat GPT. So let's okay. So this is Chat GPT, and let me let me all right. So let me tell you. So let's write some lines on this technology. Okay. Say technology helps us imagine the future. So let's give it a command that write uh, write 150 words on how technology imagines the future. Okay. So let's see what it gives you. So in within no second, within few seconds, or in within fractions of seconds, it will give you 150 words content. Okay, on how technology imagines the future. So this is the content that it has given you. So now please mute yourself. All right. So let's get back. So here, let me. I want to. I want to copy this content and write it over there. So let's copy it from here. Okay, and then go back. Come here and click on this pencil button. When you click on this pencil button, it will, and go to your content. It will show you this content. So let's remove everything over from here, and then just paste Control V, the content that we just copied. Okay, so this is like the content that we have just copied from Chat GPT. So see, technology imagines the future, this, and this is like this. Okay, so if you want to make some more changes, alignment or something, or you want to change the text. Okay, like I want to change the text to Times New Roman. So we can change the text to Times New Roman. Okay. So, and the size also, I want to keep the size as 14, or 14 is looking small. So we can change it to 20, right? So this is what we have done. Okay. Now about BBIC. Now I hope this section is quite clear to you. We have designed one section. Let's publish it and see how it is appearing. So let's go back to our home page. For now, currently it is appearing like this. Okay, but it is not looking good because there is a large gap between the image and the text. So let's refresh the page. and see the changes. Now see, see. Now this is your image, and immediately below the image you have your content, text. All right, like this. Now again we have to make some changes in about BBIC. Okay. Okay. So again go back to Chat GPT and ask it to write a few words on BBIC. We are, let's give it a command that we are a technology or IT company. Write 100 words on uh, 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 on BBIC for about us page of our website. Okay. All right. So it has given you some about us section things. So just copy it. Okay. And again go back to your editing mode, and here in about us section just give the title, and then you have to choose two sections, right? Just like we chose like this, plus button, then flex box, and then this one. Okay, like this you have to choose. And on one side just insert the BBIC logo, and on side you have to write the text about us. So just let me remove all this, and I'll write the actual text about BBIC. So removed everything, and now I'll copy the text regarding BBIC. BBIC is a forward-thinking technology and IT solution company dedicated to helping business thrive in rapidly evolving digital world. Okay, so now this image, there is a an imbalance in the image and the text. So let's move that, let's edit this text, go to advanced settings, and this margin is currently 130, set to 130. That means this is from top, it is, there is a distance of 130. So let's reduce the distance by using this down arrow. Okay, so, and stop when you are satisfied with the distance, like this. I think this is looking fine. 50 is looking fine. So now they both are in center. Okay, so about us, and let me see. Okay, so this is a container full width. This is fine. So this is also fine, and I want to slightly change the margins, rather padding. I should change the padding from the top. Okay, just leave it. Just leave it like this. It will be fine. And let me check the heading. This is also fine. Okay. And let's publish it. Now see, as of now, it is appearing something like this, but now we have changed it. And so let's refresh the page and see the changes. See, this is about us image, and then we have written the content over here. All right. So if you think that image should be slightly upwards, or maybe there should be a distance between the two, then you can always change it. Okay. How? I'll tell you. Advanced setting, then padding from the left, uh, or you can change the distance actually, margins from the right. Okay, because we are on the image. Okay, we want to change the margin of the image from the right of the image. Okay, so let's try to change it. I think that is fine. Okay, and this one also, let me change it slightly from the left. Let me change the margin from the left like this. Now it is looking slightly fine. Now let's publish it and see if changes are appearing fine. Okay, fine. Now that's better. There is a distance between the image and the text that we have written. All right. So I hope it is quite clear to you. If you have any questions to ask, you can always ask me. Now I am ready to take your queries. If you have any queries, you can just ask me right now. Yes, guys, if you have any problems, anything you want to ask, you can always ask me. I'm ready to answer your questions. Are you understanding it? Okay. Okay, Rajesh Vikas. Okay. Okay, Adarsh. Okay, Yamini. Okay, Adarsh. Okay, I got it. Okay, Jagdish. Okay, Komera. Okay, Nagur. Okay, fine. So in the next class, because tomorrow, let me remind you, tomorrow is your small test, that is MCQ test, that you will have to do. Okay. On Monday, we are going to again start. Yeah. Domain name. Domain name. See, in you are asking about the domain name in uh, this thing in infinity free. So in infinity free, as the name is free, so everything is free. So you don't need to pay for domain name as of now. Okay. If you want to know how to take domain name in infinity free, That I'll tell you in the next session separately. Okay. You can come up with your problems, and whatever common problems are there, I am going to resolve them in one go.